heritage. I shall always strive to be of your way. I shall be the parent of your teacher and auditor. Stand to be everyone. To my country and my people. I place my daughter in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Next round.
I hope that we had a very good conversation and you had enjoyed stuff. But I am also expecting to allow education. Everybody have to show their homework, especially under 1st July. And today the population is looking very less. So those who are present, many students are absent today. So you have to inform them. You have to inform your friends those who are not present that classes are starting.